Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Lotus Lantern application that is not working in 2026. So the Lotus Lantern application relies heavily on the Bluetooth for communication. So you can come inside the settings of your phone, and inside it you just have to simply tap on the option of Bluetooth. Now over here you just have to make sure that you turn off your Bluetooth for at least 10 to 15 seconds, and then you need to turn it back on. After that you just have to reopen your application, and then you can try reconnecting to your LED device. Now after doing so, you need to also make sure that all the permissions are granted to the application. So you can check that by going inside the settings of your account. So inside the settings, simply tap on the option of apps, then tap on the option of app management. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for the Lotus Lantern application. Over here, go to the permissions, and it will show you how much permissions or how many permissions you have allowed it. So you need to make sure that you allow it to access your Bluetooth location and the nearby devices and the local network. So without these permissions, the app may not detect your lights. Then you can also unplug the LED controller, and you can just simply wait for at least 30 seconds. Then you can plug it back in, and then you can wait for it to fully restart before opening the application again. You can also basically forget and reconnect the device. So if your device appears inside the application but it is not responding at all, you can remove it from the app, and then you can just simply scan the device again and reconnect it from the scratch. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Lantern application is now working properly again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.